Hello, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to discuss Warner Bros. Discovery Inc., which is WBD. So today is 17 June 2025. So what's going on in Warner Bros? Oh, before that, I want to ask you: are you making millions of dollars in Wall Street? Yes. Then congratulations. If no, then don't worry, you will make money, you will make millions of dollars. Don't worry at all. Okay, so let's go ahead. So 1 day trend is like it was down by 18 cents. And what about 5 days? So 5 days trend shows like it was up from $10.41. So it's a little bit up, like $17 17 cents up, so it's good. What about 1 month? So in 1 month period, it went up from 9.05 to all the way to $10.58, which is a good move. And what about 6 months? So in 6 months tenure, so it went down by 5 cents. So it was $10.63, and today it is on 17 June 2025. It is $10.58. It can be told as a sideways movement. Okay, sideways. It's not up or not down, or neither up or not down. So what about 1 year? In 1 year time frame, it went up from $6.99 to all the way to $10.58, which is really a good move. Okay, and what about 5 years? In 5 years tenure, it is down from $20.26 to $10.58. Like it has been half of the price from 5 years ago's price. So it is quite a great deal of negative movement. So let us remove the confusion by analyzing more, because whether it's up or down, it's tough to say, right? So what about 1 year return? The return was 48%, opposed to 9% of S&P 500, which is a good good statistics. So what about 3 years return? So in 3 years period, it is down, and down by 26%, as opposed to positive return of 63% of S&P 500 index. So it's not a good statistic at all. So what about 5 year return? It is down again. 52% decrease has happened in 5 year tenure, as opposed to 92% positive return of S&P 500. So it has not performed well at all. Okay, so it has performed very poorly. What about financials? So the financials, if you look at the financials, it is not in a good shape, because it is earning negative 28% in profit margin. And what about return on equity? That is 27% negative. So it is in like tough situation. Okay, and what about EPS? It is losing money. So it has lost $4.33 the last year. So it is a really bad position for the company, and therefore you do not see trailing P and forward P, because the EPS is negative. All right, so it shows the company is in bad shape. And what about analyst expectations from this stock? So there is a positive $3 gain should be there according to analysts. I don't know why, but I'm not very optimistic about this stock at all. Not at all. Whatever analysts told or analysts estimated, that is their choice, but I would not recommend buying this stock, because it is losing money. I do not at all buy the stock in any losing concern, and also I do not buy the stocks which are not growing. So I consider both growing and also doing doing positive gains, or like making positive returns, not negative returns. Like return on equity should be positive for me to choose a stock, and also profit margin should be positive. So in this case, it is negative in both of the ways. So I would not prefer doing buying that. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.